Good afternoon, student. This is the second class of cost revenue analysis. I have discussed in the first class about the different type of cost. What is cost? Then we have also discussed about what is implicit cost, what is explicit cost, what is normal profit, and what is last one we have done with what is economic cost. Today I will explain about the different type of costs. That is, we are starting from the total cost. We have some knowledge in class 11. This chapter has been partially done in class 11, so I think you will not face difficulty to understand. Now first start with the classification we have done the different type of cost. Let's start with the total cost, that is TC. What is total cost? What is the total cost? Means when a firm is producing an output, what is its total expenditure to produce the given amount of output. Suppose I have to produce 10 units of output. For producing, how much cost I have to bear is my total cost, either per unit or for full unit. Now this total cost can be divided into two parts because we are dealing with short run only. I have already discussed that in long run there was no fixed cost. All the costs are variable. But as we are dealing with the short run, so total cost includes two type of cost. One is TFC, that is total fixed cost. Another one, total variable cost. Total fixed cost doesn't depend on level of production. It is independent towards output produced. If the firm has to produce 0 units of output or 10 units of output or 20 units of output or 50 units of output, the total amount of fixed cost remain fixed. Means if whether there is a production or there is no production, firm has to bear the burden of total fixed cost. Okay. Now coming to the total variable cost. What is this TVC? The total variable cost that the firm has to incur for producing a given level of output. It is totally dependent on the level of production. As the level of production increases, this total variable cost also expands. Initially what happened, if I will discuss about the cost structure, let's see. Suppose TC can be divided into two parts, TVC and TFC. As I have said that TFC is fixed throughout the production level. Suppose the total TFC for producing 150 unit of output is 1200. There is no alteration of this fixed cost. But TVC, which is totally dependent on the level of output or production. When the firm is producing 1 unit of output, suppose that TVC is 400. Now, when the firm is producing the second unit of output, TVC is 760. Now, when third unit, it is 1020. When it is fourth unit, it comes to 1320. So, what is noticeable? What are you getting? What are you seeing? We are seeing that as the production level expands, the total variable cost accordingly expands. So, it is directly proportional to the level of output. But fixed cost is not at all function. It is fixed. Okay. Now, if I will sum up, then what I will get? If I will calculate TC, TC is what for 1 unit of output? It is what? 1200 plus 400, 1600. So, for producing 1 unit of output, the firm has to bear more fixed cost than variable cost. But as the production is going on, it is increasing, so firm has to spend more amount on total variable cost, keeping fixed costs constant. So the contribution of total variable cost towards the total cost increases as Q or the total output level expands. Am I clear? Yes. Now coming to the shape of these three curves. Okay, take out the copy and please write it down what I have written. Have a look. When there is a 0 unit of output, total TFC is 120. TVC 0 because there is no production. So entire total cost contains or comprises TFC. Next, when the firm is producing 1 unit of output, TFC 120, TVC 40, TC 160. Moving to the next unit, that is unit 2, TFC 120, TVC 76, total TC 196. Third unit 120, TVC 102, total TC 222. Fourth unit 120, TVC 132, TVC here what? Outstream TFC. So what is our TC? 252. 252 comprises more TVC than TFC. Moving to 5, 6 and so on, same thing will happen. So what we have understood that the contribution of TVC towards total cost increases or expands as the total unit of output increases. So what will be the shape of TC? The TC curve is S-shaped curve and TFC follows the exact shape of TC. That's why it is also S-shaped. As there is change in total fixed cost, so it is a horizontal straight line. Means at any level of output, our total fixed cost, that is TFC, remains same. Am I clear? That's why TFC is a horizontal straight line. Okay, understood? Now coming to what is the nature of the TVC. TVC, see, follow the chart and see what is the nature of TVC. First, it is increasing, but it is increasing at a decreasing rate up to 3 unit of output level. Thereafter, it is increasing at an increasing rate. What? Initially, it increases at a decreasing rate. Afterwards, after a certain level of production, it will increase as an increasing rate. Am I clear? Okay. So, please note it down and please have a look on the shape of the curve. As you don't have the book, take out your copy and write down everything in your classwork copy. When the school will get open, it will be checked by me. Clear? If you want, you can write down the definition of total cost. See, total cost incurred by the firm for producing given amount of output is called total cost. What is the meaning of total cost? Total cost incurred by the firm for producing any given amount of output is known as total cost. Okay. Now I will start with the concept of average cost. Look at the board. TC. TC is total cost. If TC will be divided by Q, then we will get AC. Okay. Now, next one, it is TFC. When TFC will be divided by Q, we will get AFC. And when ABC will be divided by TVC will be divided by Q, then we will get AVC. So these are all the calculation of the average cost. Okay. Now coming to AC, AFC and AVC. So what is AC? AC is nothing but the combination of AFC and what? AFC and AVC. Now see the characteristics of AFC, that is average fixed cost. What is that? If the total fixed cost will be divided by the total output, then we will get average fixed cost. As the total TFC is fixed and Q is variable, means it is changing. So what will happen? The ratio falls. So as a result, that AFC is falling from the beginning. Again repeating, why AFC is a falling curve from the beginning? Because AFC is a ratio between total fixed cost and output. Total fixed cost remain fixed, keeping Q variable. So in a ratio, if one is fixed and another is variable, so what will be the outcome? The ratio will fall, the value of the ratio will decrease. As a result, AFC is falling from the beginning. But remember, it cannot be negative because AFC is the average of TFC. As TFC cannot be negative, AFC cannot be negative. Thank you.